Okay, here's some help with tonight's homework. If you stay tuned till the end of the video, there's a chance to win a golden ticket at the end. We did quite a few two-step problems today in class, but we didn't do any on the array puzzle with division. We did do some examples before the puzzle, but so let's do one of these problems that has division in it. Number 9, 15 equals -7 plus z over 3. The whole idea is we want to get z by itself on this side of the equation. Once we have z by itself, we'll know what it equals. We need to get rid of that -7 first, so I'm going to add 7 to this side. And if I add 7 to this side of the equation, I have to add 7 to this side of the equation. 15 plus 7 is 22. So 22 equals -7 plus 7 is 0 plus z over 3. So 22 equals 0 plus z over 3 is just z over 3. Z divided by 3. Now we can undo this division with the inverse operation, which is multiplication. So if we're dividing z by 3, we want to multiply by 3 to get rid of that, to undo that operation. But since z over 3 is a fraction, we're going to multiply by 3, but we're going to represent 3 as 3 over 1. If I multiply this side by 3, I have to multiply the other side by 3. So I have to multiply 22 times 3 also. 3 times 22 is 66. And up here we do top times top, bottom times bottom. This is the same as we multiply any other fraction. Z times 3 is 3z over 3 times 1, which is 3. And then simplifying that fraction, 3 over 3 is just 3 divided by 3 is 1, so we just have z on this side. Z equals 66. But we have to check to make sure that's true. So let's rewrite our original equation. 15 equals -7 plus z over 3. We said z equals 66. We'll put 66 in where we see z. 15 equals -7 plus 66 over 3. Order of operations, we have to do this division first before we do the addition. So 66 divided by 3 is 22. -7 plus 22 should equal 15. And 22 plus -7, if the signs are different, we find the difference. So 22 minus 7 is 15. And then we keep the sign of the integer that's furthest from 0, which is positive 22. So it is positive 15, which matches with what we were expecting. So our answer for z equals 66 is correct. Okay, here's your chance to win a golden ticket. Go to my website. And there's a new game section on the website. Click on the scales game. This is the algebraic reasoning game we've been playing in class. Click on level 1, and then you'll get 2 scales representing a problem. In order to win the golden ticket, I need you to, on scratch paper, I'll just flip the homework over and do it on there. I need you to write what each one of those scales represents as an equation. So that top scale, now your scales will be different, but just using this example, we have 8 flowers on the top equaling 80. So as an equation, I could write 8f equals 80. And then solve for f to figure out how much one of those flowers weighs. Then I would write an equation for the bottom scale. 3 pumpkins plus 3 flowers equals 51. Now before you write this equation, you figured out what f equals. So you could plug that number into this equation, and then you could solve for p. And the first person to bring me that tomorrow morning wins a golden ticket. Alright, see you in the morning.